Hearty welcome to Veritech channel. In this video, we are about to learn a very important concept, very well known as research gap in the research work that is carried out by the researchers. It may be applicable to any of the domains, any of the topic of interests, but the questions remains the same. Now, moving towards its definition. It can be considered as a topic or a concept which is having a limited or insufficient from the previous methods, which are stopping the work to reach to a conclusion, a proper conclusion for particular problem statements or questions that has been raised by the researcher. A limited or insufficient. For that purpose, we go along with this method, but do not get confused with the research question. Research question is a part of it, but not the research gap. Now let us, it is not possible to go through entire research, existing research and entire work. For that, here in this video, we have identified simple steps. If we put these things in a brief note, we can identify the research gap very easily. Very first point here we have to identify is the motivational issue or the question related to our research work. It might be anything. It depends upon our need, our objective. We have to make a question mark here. What we are going to do throughout the research work. This question we have to put down. It might be a motivational one. It depends upon the need and significance. Once it is done, next we have to search for the associated keywords with respect to that particular issue, which we have raised in the previous step. After identifying the keywords, sometimes they can be called as key terms, keywords. It differs from university to university and place to place. Next, we have to carry out literature review for the above keywords, and we have to identify the key publications with respect to those keywords, and we should be very careful with those key publications. And one point here I would like to mention is that it is better to choose only the publications which are not older than 5 years from the date of writing the research problem or research gap. Take the papers of 5 years from the day of writing the research proposal. That is enough. Once key publications are identified, next the literature review with respect to the above identified publications has to be carried out. And this gives us a clear picture of how the terms are going to give. Now, after going through the literature review by making them point by point, year by year, author to the author, geographical condition to the condition, application to application, once they are placed in a perfect chronological order, we can identify the issue and solution that has been not arrived at, means which is not addressed earlier in the previous related works, which gives us to the or leads us to the motivational issue of our research work. Even though the last step which is given here, it is a challenging one, which is very difficult to find out what a particular published work is saying or not. For this purpose, we have to make a small notes based on inconsistent information. We have to make that sure that while we are copying the notes, we should make that is there any inconsistent information available there. Now we can also track few points, such as the authors might have given some limitations of their proposed works, and also they might have mentioned in the summary of their work that this work can be carried out in a futures or further scope in future research. They might have given this type of words or at least they might have addressed these points, such as this is going to be done like this or like that in the future, near future. These points will help us towards the gaps available there, and this can help us to find out the final research gap. This is how we can identify the research gap in the most simplest way. There are so many steps, but we have divided them into simple 5 steps. Thank you for listening our video. Like, share, and subscribe our channel and promote our videos such that we can provide you new videos in the upcoming days. Thank you.